Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Let us look at the price action analysis for Monday, October 24th. I wish all my subscribers and viewers a happy Diwali. May Diwali bring you enough lights to chase away all darkness in your life. So when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, we have New Zealand bank holiday. At 12:45 p.m. we have high impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. And at 1 p.m. again we have high impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. At 2 p.m. we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs. 7:15 p.m. we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we'll have lots of volatilities in gold also. So requesting my followers to have a proper trading plans and consider these events also while planning for your trade entry and exits on Monday. Let us begin our gold analysis. For today I will be doing the analysis from weekly time frame in order to understand the overall price action from the higher time frame. And we know from the past analysis that from this level the price action went on a bullish trend. After testing the level of 2070, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Again it formed into a double top pattern. Then we are noticing the price action to retrace back on a bearish side trend reversal. And we know from the past price action that this level of 1680 was acting as a very strong support, where we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement every time we try to break this strong support level. But the current price action has easily breached this support level, which confirms that the current bearish trend will continue. And when we closely look at the current level, the price action had trended on the bearish side and tested the support level of 1614. Then it went on a bullish side retracement, breaking this resistance level of 1680. Again it has bounced back on the bearish side retracement. But during this retracement also we have noticed a price action to retest at this support level of 1614, then to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, which shows that it doesn't have enough bearishness to break this support level of 1614. So we have to understand why this level is a very strong support level and why the price action has bounced back from this support level of 1614 from the past price action. So here I have drawn a purple color trend line or a support line where we have noticed a price action to take support and to continue on a bullish side trend in the past. And currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side, but this trend line which had acted as a very strong support is again acting as a strong support for the current price action also, which is preventing the market from falling further on the bearish side. So from the weekly time frame we understand that this level of 1614 is acting as a very strong support for the current price action, and it will have to break this trend line in order to continue further on the bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. So I am in daily time frame now, and we know from the past price action that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, trading below this resistance line from the daily time frame on a bearish trend. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame. And also we know from the current analysis that there is a very strong trend line or support line from the weekly time frame running over here. So it has to break this trend line in order to continue further on the bearish trend. And current price action has clearly bounced back from this support line from the weekly time frame on the bullish side retracement. And if the price action fails to break this support level, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start from this support level from the weekly time frame, which means that the price action has to break the previous high, which is going to be around 1730, in order to get the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal. So we are noticing it to form a double bottom pattern. The confirmation on the formation will come only when the price action breaks the resistance level of 1730 in daily time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. And currently the price action has tested the support level of 1614 and it is on a bullish side retracement. First level of resistance is going to be around 1658 or 1660. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1685, 1707, 1761 and 1800. Until the price action is trading below this resistance line from the daily time frame, we can expect the price action to consolidate. But once the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the price action to start its double bottom pattern, which means that next level of strong resistance is going to be around 1730. Once this level is broken, we can expect the completion of double bottom pattern in daily time frame. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1640, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame also. Next level of support is going to be around 1580 and 1540. So coming week is going to decide whether the bearish trend is going to continue or we are going to have a bullish side retracement. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I'm again going to draw a resistance line or a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action for 4 hours time frame. So based on this trend line, it is very clear that the current price action has taken support around the support level of 1614 and has given a breakout on the bullish side, breaking this previous resistance line. Currently it is trying to break the resistance level of 1660, and if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance is going to be around 1685 from the daily time frame. So it is very clear that the price action has started its bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. But we have lots of resistance in the 4 hours time frame, and as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line from the daily time frame, we can expect the chances of the bearish trend reversal in 4 hours time frame also. So now this resistance line will become invalid. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame also, we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side. Again try to bounce back on the bullish side, and it had failed to continue its bullish trend. Again it took support around the trend line or support line from the weekly time frame trend line, and now it has taken second attempt to break this resistance level of 1660. And if the price action managed to break this resistance level, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracement in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action in hourly time frame is also on the bullish side retracement. If the price action breaks the resistance level of 1659, next level of resistance is going to be around 1671, 1685, 1700, 1724. And we have the higher time frame resistance levels in the blue color boxes. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1643, next level of support is going to be the support level of 1614 from the higher time frame. And only when the price action breaks the support level, we can expect the start of the bearish trend in hourly time frame also. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, it has taken support around the support level of 1614, and we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. I'm drawing a trend line or resistance line for the 30 minutes time frame, where we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this resistance line, and currently it has given a breakout, and we have noticed it to trend on the bullish side retracement. And if the price action bounces back on the retracement on the bearish side, this trend line will be acting as a support line for the future price action, and only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame. Here we have the weekly time frame trend line or the support line, which it has to break in order to start its bearish side trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame also. So currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is trading on a sideways within the higher time frame resistance level of 1660 and support level of 1614. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame, and currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1658 or 1660 and support level of 1650. And if the price action manages to break this resistance level of 1660, next level of resistance is going to be 1670. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level of 1660, next level of support is going to be around 1650, 1643, 1637, 1629 and 1617. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a bullish side retracement. Wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1660 if you want to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level of 1660, next level of support is going to be around 1651, 1643, 1638, 1633, 1627, 1617 and 1614. And only when the price action breaks the support level of 1614, we can expect the start of the bearish trend in 15 minutes time frame also. Till then, it will only be a sideways price action in 15 minutes time frame and in other higher time frames. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.